Lastly, we want to talk about actions other than trading. Okay? Actions other than trading, as we mentioned, is something that are not directly related users, but they may sometimes increase user stickiness. They may help your users feeling more willing to use your platforms. Okay? So one interesting example here is of an online forum called I don't know how to pronounce it, Bahamut, whatever. Okay, so this is actually a video game character. Okay, a very famous guy. So somehow this is this guy. All right, so it's well a character. All right. So what's this? This is a forum for people to talk about games, comics, videos, cartoon, and so on and so on. So this particular forum, I'm sorry, is a Chinese forum. So I only have screenshots that are writing Chinese, but I'm going to do very simple translation. Basically, this is a forum, right? So as a forum, we go there to do some discussions. So we need an account. So maybe I'm going to join this platform and register for an account. After I do a registration, this forum allows me to choose my picture. Oh, interesting. So I can say I'm a boy or a girl. I may say whether I'm a people or whether I'm a warrior, whether I'm a wizard, whether I'm some kind like something like that. All right. So I'm going to be able to choose my setting, and I also have my level. At the beginning, I'm in level 1, and I have no reputation. I have no coins, and I have my HP and health point, magic point, and experience. So I'm going to log in to earn some experience points. I'm going to make post. I'm going to look at post. I'm going to stay online. I'm going to reply to others' message, and so on and so on and so on. I'm going to keep using this website, this platform, and accumulate my experience to get to my next level, to get to my next level. Sometimes I earn some money, just like playing a game. After I may really get a lot of experience level, I'm going to get to advanced levels. For example, this guy. This guy is getting a higher level, all right? And this guy has a different occupation. And now with higher levels, you will be allowed to buy something or to earn something or to change the way you look. Okay? You may even spend some coins to buy you a desk, buy you a glass, and so on and so on to do some decoration. So somehow it's like playing a game, but it's not really a game. It's just that when you are using this online forum, it makes you feel that you are playing a game. All right? So you may feel that this is stupid, but actually this is somewhat very useful. Why? Because this is a forum for people to discuss about games. So all those people who come here, they enjoy playing games. All right? And they typically have some experience about these role playing games. So that's why they get familiar with all these kind of systems, and they are interested in getting higher levels, in getting a lot of coins, or even to just make them a better look. All right. All of these are called gamification. Okay. Gamification is one of the very popular way to allow users to do something on your website that are not directly related to trading. Basically, you want them to make post, read post, reply to post, right? So that's the direct trading thing on your website. But also you allow them to accumulate coins, accumulate experience points to get to the next level to do some decoration. In some sense, that's not important at all, right? But with these features, these game lovers is going to love your website more and love your platform more and be stick to your website. That's what we mean by gamification. So there are obviously other examples. So I'm sorry again. I tried to make my app display in English, but I failed. So this is an app called Line Taxi. So Line, as you know, is a very popular instant messenger in Asia. Okay, so Line is providing several related service. For example, Line Taxi in Taiwan. So basically, you don't need to know what's this, but you know it's something like you may use this app or this function in the app to call taxi. All right. So the thing is that the most important thing on Line Taxi is that you as a user, you use this app to find taxi. All right. And then you pay taxi by using credit cards, by using Line Pay, whatever, and then you get on your taxi and get to your destination. That's the most important thing. But Line Taxi is going to also get to do gamification. By what? By providing you a badge collection. Okay? So there are all kinds of badges. Some are typical, but also some are very interesting. Okay? So for example, here is a badge that I don't have. This badge is saying newcomers is here. So if you use Line Taxi for your first time and complete your ride, you're going to earn this badge. Okay, this is a badge I have. This is a badge I don't have. For example, maybe you also see this particular badge. Okay, there are 3 rabbits. It says that if you set up 3 addresses, your home address, your company address, your girlfriend or boyfriend's address. If you set up 3 common or 3 addresses that you are going to use frequently, and use that to do your taxi calling, then you are going to also earn this badge. Okay, how about this one? This badge is called Elegance. So that means if you set up a credit card or Line Pay or whatever into your Line Taxi account, that's going to earn you this badge. Okay? There are even something more. So this early bird means if you use your app to make a call at 5 a.m. to 7 a.m., if you do that, you earn this badge as an early bird. How about this? This is that if you do this at midnight or between this very late situation, if you do that in this midnight time, you're going to get this badge. Or this one is saying that if you do the taxi at Saturday and if you pay more than 160, you are going to get this badge. Okay, so somehow there are some badges that seems to be interesting, but also there are some badges that are not so easy to be obtained. So probably you want to ask, well, what's the point of having these badges? I don't know, but you also understand that there are some people that if they see that you already collected, for example, 7 badges here, then if there's only 1 left, and that requires some conditions, in the world, there are really some people that they will try to get this badge, and then for that, they're trying to meet your condition to give you a transaction. That seems to be nice, right? And also, there must be some people in the world that after they collect all these badges, they're going to make a post on their Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever, to show to everybody that, hey, I finished this. And then that's going to help you do free promotion. Why not? So that's some basic ideas about gamification. You know that people come here to trade, but you also allow them to do something. And in many cases, that do something is to let them play a game or something similar to a game. All right? So that's gamification, and that's also something that you may consider when you do platform governance. Okay, so with this, now that's the end of today's lecture. Thank you.